Hey everyone, this is Shelly Chikara, your health and fitness consultant. So guys, there is something is common between you and me, and what is that? We both want to look great, we both want to stay healthy. So when I say look great and be healthy, what do I mean by that? Stay healthy, that means you should be fit enough that you can do anything which you want. You can do your day-to-day work, you can go office and come back, and with the full energy you can spend your time with your family. When I say look good, that means you can wear any dress which you want because you are fit, you are not overweight, and when you are not overweight you automatically feel that confidence when you go out and you can interact with anyone, and you can feel that confidence within your skin, within your body, that you are looking good, and you can wear any dress which you want. You don't have to think twice in that. So in this video I am up to a wonderful challenge for you guys which will help you to reduce your fat or weight 2 to 7 kgs within just 7 days. That is called 7 days skipping challenge, and guys, I can bet that if you will do this challenge then you will definitely lose 2 to 5 kgs weight in just 7 days.
So before getting started, it's very important to do some stretches. Here I am performing dynamic stretches which includes full body from my head to toe. It will help you to increase your joint movement, and it will also help you to do an injury-free workout. So stretches are always very important. Just keep an eye and just try to perform in the same way which I am doing here. This is how we have completed our stretches head to toe. Now I'm going to give you the 7 days skipping rope challenge plan. Just keep an eye. Anyone can perform this challenge because I've specially taken care of the people who don't know how to skip the rope, so they can start their challenge with normal jumping. Skipping rope has multiple benefits. It helps you to improve your coordination, improve your cardiovascular health, it improves your bone density, it burns more calorie that will help you to reduce your weight fast. It helps you to improve your mental health also. So there could be multiple problems for beginners. Sometimes people who all are heavy in weight, they might feel some knee pain and some chest pain. So in that case, what they have to do is they have to purchase a nice pair of shoes, sports shoes, and all the females out there who has heavy chest, they have to purchase a nice bra, nice sports bra, and then they can start their exercise. It will definitely help them to reduce these kind of problems. Guys, trust me, this will really help you to lose weight. People who don't want to do much exercise and they still want to lose weight, so just try this method and you will definitely lose weight. So here is your complete 7 days plan which you need to follow for next 7 days to get the best result out of it. And just take a pause here and take a picture of this and follow the same.
that's about this video, and I really hope this video will help you a lot. And guys, just perform this 7 days challenge and share your results with me over my Instagram. My Instagram handle is Shelly_Chikara. Share your before and after picture with me so that it will gives me motivation to create more videos. If you are new on this channel and if you did not subscribe my channel till now, so guys, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the notifications whenever I make any video, so you'll get notified on it. Thanks for being with me. This is Shelly Chikara, your health and fitness coach, signing off until the time we meet again.